guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fill your dolphin's trough to the brim so they will level up a little bit faster. It's easier if you feed them during the early mornings and then late at night, so you can really level up with them. But I don't wake up that early, guys, so I can't. But basically, you are going to select some foods. I like to add the level ones first, and then I add the biggest level a little bit later. I don't have a lot of fishes or their favorite foods, so I'm just going to add some stuff first, like the glasswort here. And then I'm going to add the 1 star, and then 2 stars. If it's not optimal, I usually delete the 1 star here and then I add the 2 stars. As you can see, it adds extra points. Then I'm just going to feed it. So yeah, that is how you can fill your dolphin's trough to the brim and overfill it so you get more points and you can level up with them a little bit faster. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.